Are you struggling to make any money online? Have you tried those boring survey sites or watched some stupid videos only to get paid a few cents for watching, let's say, like 45 of them? Have you been taken to the cleaners trying to sell junk on eBay? Are you just tired of the rat race and need a breath of fresh air? Well, in this video, you are going to learn to fire your boss, get your bills paid, and learn how to break free. Let's learn how right now. Hello, and hope you are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money for just a few minutes of work that could last a lifetime. All you have to do is this as many times as you like. Do it as many times as you like. Then you can sit back and relax while making money in pure passive income. This method basically works worldwide. So this method today that I will be showing you uses two websites. The first site is... Hello and welcome to the video. A few instructions before we begin this tutorial. Number 1, do not skip ahead because you might miss a crucial step in the instructions that could get you confused, mad, and blow up. Okay, well maybe not blow up, but you know what I mean. I will guide you step by step, so do not skip ahead. Number 2, if you need to pause this video in case you are taking notes, please feel free to do so. Number 3, turn off all distractions, close out of all other programs, and turn off your phone and pay attention. And as always, please like this video if you love the content. I know you will. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I load up a new video. Leave a comment and share this with everyone on social media. That would be tremendous. I would really appreciate that. Okay, with all this, let's jump into the video and learn how to make money right now. Okay guys, this is the site in question. It's called ES Faucet. The website is es.btcnews.com. So basically what this does is you can do many different things on here to get Bitcoin, and they pay you for using this site. So let's see what this is all about. So the first thing you want to do is go over to the About section, and let's read what it is. ES Faucet is a multi-crypto faucet in which you decide how often you get to claim your Bitcoin. Most faucets will allow you to claim once in a while, but they're different. With them, you may decide how often you would like to claim. With every minute, every hour that passes, your claimable crypto amount fills up in their faucet. The initial increase being a lot faster and then slowing down over time until you make the claim. They also have a daily bonus and extra bonus for collecting their coins. A minimum of 5 minutes between claims per account. Their mission, they say, is simple. We are crypto enthusiasts, and we are trying to get more and more cryptocurrencies out there into the hands of the people, increasing the crypto user base. Supporting many different cryptocurrencies makes their mission a lot more easily approachable. So, Let's get into this. So what you want to do after you understand what this website is all about, you want to go over here and you want to click sign up right here. Okay, after you get your account set up and you've logged in, the next thing you want to do is go over to your dashboard. After you click on your dashboard, this is what you will see. And you have how much you have in your balance, where you are on your levels, and how much you have claimed and exchanged. So for the purposes of this video, we're going to focus in on Bitcoin. All right. So they do have Ethereum, they do have Litecoin, they do have Ripple, they do have Stellar, Digibyte, but you have to keep opening up levels, or you have to move up levels rather, to unlock the next types of Bitcoin. Okay. So how do you do that? It's very simple. You could just let this roll in the background if you wanted to. You go over to click and earn. Click on earn over here. Click the little down arrow button, down caret. And then you have different faucets. You can click that, and the faucets are the actual Bitcoins. But to earn them, these are the things you get to do. You get to paid to click. And what's really cool about the paid to click part is that after you're done doing it, they will keep updating this. Okay? So you can get this site and you get this amount of money. You click this site, this is how much you get. All right? And you just keep on going. It's as simple as that. All right? Another way that you can do this is, the reason for this video is by watching other videos, right? Yeah, it can help you get some Bitcoin, but there's something else I want to show you. So you can watch this video, Cats Get a Credit Card, right? And you'll get some ES coins for watching videos. I don't think there's any Bitcoin, but you get the crypto here, all right? They also have offers. I wouldn't waste any time on that. I'm not sure what Easy Health for You is. Probably some more offers, but the big one that we want to go down here is this miner, because you can set this up in the morning, walk away, and then come back later on in the evening, and you should have some more Bitcoin. And it's simple as clicking the start button. And let's see this thing move. So you can see down here the timing, right? And then, of course, there's ads, which we have to skip through. They need to make their money as well. But the cool thing is, guys, this is all free, all right? So here, you can see the hashes coming up. I haven't mined anything yet, but to see the progress bar go, that's pretty cool. So you just let this go. And hashes are actually, they're part of the Bitcoin process. So I just let this go, right? And then later on this evening, I should have some coins, right? Or maybe part of a coin. But still, that's pretty cool. So that's the purpose of this site, is to show you ways that you can make some Bitcoin. And it's pretty awesome. And yeah, they have their ads. But you're probably wondering, okay, now if I hit the stop here, now what? Okay, let's pretend I made some Bitcoins on here. Well, how do you cash out? You go over to the faucets here and you go over to Bitcoin. right? Now, I don't have any Bitcoin to get out of this right now. This is just for an example. Okay, so actually I do have something, a balance of 6.9, okay? But there's not enough to withdraw, all right? So where you withdraw that is another site called Coinbase, all right? From there, that's where you get the money. The purpose of this video is to show you ES faucets, not Coinbase. If you want to see how to run Coinbase, there's lots of different videos online. You can go ahead and check those out. But where you cash out is through Coinbase, and it's the easiest place to do it. Okay, I've done it for other cryptocurrencies, and I've made some decent amount of money doing that. So I'm sure this will help you as well. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I hope you got some great value out of this. And again, this is something that you could do in the background. You could turn this on and go mow the lawn, right? And then you can come back, right? And then you have some Bitcoin or Satoshis, right? So, or you could go paint the house, come back, you have some Satoshis. So it's something that you can just set and forget. Well, not forget, but go on and do other things, come back, and you may have made some money. So it's a pretty good deal. So again, I hope you got some value out of this. If you did, please like this video, give this channel some love. Go ahead and subscribe. Click that little bell icon so you can get push notifications when I update new videos. And also leave a comment down below to let me know where you're from. All right? I want to know that so I can find some opportunities that may work in your area. Okay? So we'll see you in the next video. Make it a great day and go make some money now. Try out this site. It's free.